The International Power pu110-31a is a standalone power supply used in a variety of machine tools and types of applications. This type of power supply is a triple output power supply, with the outputs being 5 and plus or minus 12 volts DC. These triple power supplies are found in many places and can be the first thing to fail in a large piece of equipment. This power supply, along with the other one in the video pu110-32a, both came in as a rush, as the whole machine was down without these power supplies. We rebuilt both of them within a day, and in the video, all three outputs are being monitored for proper operation. ERD repairs many power supplies every day, some small ones, like this one, and many that need a cart to move around. All our power supply repairs start with a full and comprehensive rebuild, and then are fully loaded and tested. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.